Hello, welcome back to another video on the Passat. Going to be doing a nice little upgrade to the headlights, because at night I cannot see anything. It's like two candles, and these I believe are from W8 or maybe a winter package upgrade. They've got the Xenons on them, and they look 1 million times better. So we're gonna install these today and see how they look on the car. So here we are under the bonnet. We have got to take these. There's 4 bolts. There's a secret one under here. So you got 1, 2, 3, and there is one just down there. I think these are T25s, Torx 25s. So there's just 4 of them. T25. Can you see me? T25. T25. Take these 4 out. Let's go. Right, so we are going to have to take part of the bumper off, the grille. I haven't got no bolt there. I don't know why. Previous owner must have broke it, but there we go, just like that. And then there's obviously clips at the bottom that you just got to gently be gentle. I know we have to be gentle with this. There we go. There we go. One grille off. Need to take this trim out. There should be a bolt under here. These should be T25s all the way around. Take this one off so it actually moves. There we go. Oh, I should be able to get it from there. It's spinning, of course. Right, along those pliers, I have got. Right, let's see if we can get in there. Done it with the wrong hand. It would be easier if all this plastic was out. Voila! I am actually going to have to take the whole bumper off. In 3, 2, 1, boom! All done. All taken off. I had one of these rivnets of stuck in, so I had to use some mole grips to get it off. But yeah, bumper's off. So now we need to take this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts holding it in, and they are T30s. So let's get them off now. And now this should come off. Just like that. Alright, let's see if these lights come out. Yeah, they do. Voila, one light. So side by side, that's the old light, that's the new light. You can see the difference already, you know. Like I said before, these are Xenons, and this is just normal halogen. But I did buy this, and it's meant to be like an Xenon type deal, but it didn't really give out much light. So when these come off, I bought them. So yeah, let's install these. Before we install them, we'll give them a quick clean. Get rid of this old cable. Don't know why they chopped it off. And then we'll put them in. Now, I was told these are direct plug and play, so let's plug them in and see first. Well, that's gone in. Right, let's just put one bolt in just to hold it. Don't want it to fall off. Oh, I shouldn't need to, should I? I should just turn on. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that's the difference. That is considerably brighter than that already. Let's see if the indicators work. Hey, yep, all working. Sweet. So it's the same again. 4 bolts like last time. 1, 2. Got to pop this off. This rubber thing. 3, and then it's 4th one right at the back, and it will just slide out. You got 2 small bolts and 2 big ones. The big ones go at the bottom, and the small ones go at the top. Just like that. Right, let's see if this works first before I do anything else. Let's plug it in. Hey. Oh shit, what was that? I just broke something. I don't know what I was off. Oopsie. Very fragile. Now, you can't say to me that doesn't look better. Obviously, I need a bit of a polish because they're very faded, but that's an easy job to do. Do that with it on. But yeah, let's turn them on. Have a look. Oh, main beams are on. See if the indicators work. Now they're all in, and all working, we'll put it all back together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. All back together with the new lights in. You must let me know what you think, because I think this looks, even though it's only a minor change from basically they've swapped around the indicator and the headlight dip swapped round, but I think that one looks 100 times better. So onto the price of them. So these lights, you could only really get them on the W8, and I think they were part of the winter pack, I'm not too sure. So the only really place you can get these are on W8s, and in Lithuania there's loads of them for some reason, but obviously they're being patterned different because they drive on the opposite side of the road to us, so that weren't really an option. But they were going for like stupid money, anywhere between 100 quid to 250 quid. It was ridiculous. Anyway, literally 2 days before the holiday, these lights popped up, and I was like, oh, I clicked on the listing, see where they had 2. They did, and the price of them was ridiculously cheap. It was they were 30 quid for each side, so 60 quid altogether, plus £5 postage. So I dropped an offer of 25 quid for each side, and the guy accepted it. So I don't really think he knew what he had. So I got these for like 55 quid, and then the guy messaged me saying, oh, one of the tabs are broke, I'll knock 15 quid off. So I got one light for £10, something like that. So yeah, I got a really good deal, and I'm not complaining, because it makes the car look better, and I can actually see at night now. Well, I should be able to see at night. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, leave a comment down below, give me a subscribe, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Peace.